Why, Docs? Well, I'll tell you why. I just got it, and I feel like a boss. All right. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys how to make a Travis Scott type beat. I haven't done one in a while, so I mean, you know, I just thought I'd do it again. But without further ado, let's hop on to my computer, and I need to get my chair. One moment, please. Now, let's begin the masterpiece, guys. Well, actually, let me get my glasses because I can't see a damn thing. All right, my headphones. Now, let's do this. Guys, make sure you smash the like button, okay? Hit the like button. I don't need to tell you guys twice. Hit the like button and subscribe, okay? That's all you gotta do. It's not hard. All right, let's do this.
A few moments later.
Guys, I think we got something real nice, okay? It's a really soft-ish melody. Very ambient, of course, has to be. But yeah, added some reverb to it. I used the coiling Zimbria 2. I don't know why I couldn't say that, but yeah, here's what it sounds like. Yes, what I got. Time to move on to the sound number 2. Okay, let's find a nice counter melody. So let's replace Nexus with. Actually, you know, I'm gonna go through Nexus real quick because I feel like something in Nexus might help. So let's try Nexus. Alright, so I got another counter melody to like fit that little other like plucking one that I have. So all it is, it's like a pad but in Nexus. I mean, surprisingly enough, it's pad Nexus. It's called Ambient Pad 5. It's in the single layer pads category. And all I did was add a lot of reverb to it, and I came up with this pattern for it, and it sounded pretty dope, like when it goes together with everything. So here's what it sounds like. Yeah, what's another cool thing that I did is these top notes, I just turned down the volume just because it was just too high pitched and it was messing with the mix, so just turned them down a little bit. So now we're gonna go on to I guess the drums now. I mean, yeah, might as well. Bro, I only put down the, that's how you know I'm crazy. I only put down the snare and I'm already getting turned. Like, y'all, let's move on now. Let's move on now. Oh, hi-hats. How could I forget the hi-hats? All right, let me get the hi-hat. I know exactly which ones I want to use. All right, let's just do the what's that thing called? Let's do the sub bass. Oh, found something. I found something. I found it. Okay, this is heat alert. Get your fire extinguishers out. Yeah, let's continue this. All right, so here's what the synth bass sounds like. Fire, right? I don't want to show you everything because it's just a surprise. Just wait, it's fire. Okay, I promise. Okay, let's add a soft clipper to this, and I'm gonna add, you know what I'm saying, some perks now, and I'm gonna just mix it a little bit. Then we're gonna finish it. Then we'll be all done, and then yeah. So let's do it. Fast clipper. Alright guys, beat is done, I think. Alright, I just need one more thing. Just one more thing I want to add. And then, yeah. I don't know exactly what the sound is, but I have it in my head, so I'm going to add it. So, yeah, let's do this really, really quick, because I'm trying to watch this NFC Championship game. So, yeah, let's do it.
Tomorrow.
Alright guys, look. Beat's all done, okay? It's crazy right now. It's really crazy, alright? But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe, all that good stuff, alright? Really, really need y'all to subscribe, okay? We are this close to 6,000 subscribers, okay? I'm trying to get there as quick as possible, so don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, the beat's all done. I would have already mixed it by now and all that stuff. So I'm gonna see y'all in the next one, and peace.
Unorthodox beat.